least in heaven I can skate.
Hey there everyone, welcome back. So I learned switch heel flip the other day. I landed one or two of them. Wasn't the greatest. I figured I'm gonna try to do a nollie heel flip since I learned how to do nollie flips. Let's just get right into it and try to do some nollie heel flip. It felt so good, I thought it was going to be it. It's so hard to get the pop, the flick with the shifted ankle and just put it all together. It's really hard, but we're going to keep going until we land one. Oh.
1 hour later.
Let's go! I landed it! Oh, that was hard. And the most frustrating thing about skateboarding is you know what you need to do, but you know, it just doesn't calculate right. And then eventually you finally calculate it and get it right, and then you land it. I think that was a pretty good nollie heel. Definitely need to practice some more. I need to get more consistent with it. Like I said, I've never practiced any nollie or switch tricks growing up. This is like honestly the first time I've been trying to do it. Though when I was younger it was a little bit easier. Now with my ankle being shifted out of place, it's a lot harder. But we got it, let's go! Anyways, you all know what to do. Like this video, comment down below, and click that subscribe button for more. Now go skate, peace out.